Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude in Excel in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you just have to simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Claude AI. So when you are here, you just have to simply sign up with the help of your email address and your password. So when the sign up is completed, you just have to come here on Microsoft 365. So over here you will be shown the Claude's integration with Microsoft Office. So over here you need to install Microsoft Office 365 or the latest Microsoft application on your device. Now, when you have done that, you just have to simply open the Excel application on your device. Now, for best compatibility, make sure that you update Excel to the latest version, because if you are using the older version, this particular integration may not support it. So over here, click on the option of insert or click on the option of home here. Afterwards, click on the option of add ins. Now over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Claude. Now, as you can see, Claude integration is available here. So you just have to click on the option of add right next to it. Then wait for some time until it is installing. Now, as you can see, the Claude is installed successfully and it will come here in the right hand section. So over here, you just have to click on the option of login, and you need to provide the same login credentials that you have used in order to basically log in into your Claude account. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.